Hey, what's up? Are you tired of late night study marathons, last minute assignments, and information overload? What if I told you there are free AI tools that can literally make you study smarter, faster, and with less stress? Welcome to Arhinsco Solutech, where we turn tech into your best friend. Today, I'm revealing the top AI tools every student must know in 2025. Let's boost your learning and crush those grades. Before we dive in, if today is your first time being on this channel, I'll be glad that you hit on the subscribe button and then turn on the bell notification for more updates. Let's dive in. First on the list, the king of conversational AI, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Think of it as your smart study partner that never sleeps. Need a topic explained like you are 5? Want a quick summary of a 10-page article? ChatGPT does it in seconds. To access ChatGPT, head over to any browser of your choice and then in your search bar type chatgpt.com. I will place a link in the video description, so you got to click on it and then it will load you to a page like this. You just have to sign up with your Google account and then you are good to go. Now here is where you are going to type your prompt. This is where you are going to ask anything from the AI. If you come down here, you can see add photos and files. If you click on it, you can just upload photo or file from your computer and then ask any question from ChatGPT. If you come to tools here, you are going to have access to the search, the web, write or code, run deep research, which is mainly used for what? Research, and then think longer. Now you can give it a prompt like generate a 2-page story for me which talks about friendship. Just click on the send button here, give it few minutes and then it will get the work done for you. After waiting for few seconds, ChatGPT was able to generate a story for us which talks about friendship. Now you can use ChatGPT to create a storybook from scratch and then publish it and then make some cool amount of money for yourself. Another amazing feature of ChatGPT that I really love using is this voice mode here. You can just call ChatGPT and then talk to it as you're talking to normal human being here. Let's try it. Hey, what's up?
Hey, not much. Just here to help. How about you? What's up with you today?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Any exciting plans or projects you're working on?
When you say technology, what does it mean?
EdTech, short for educational technology, refers to the use of digital tools and software to enhance teaching and learning.
Alright, so that was ChatGPT voice mode for you. And then you can also use a dictate here. If you don't want to type your prompt here, you can just turn on the dictate button here and then say whatever you want to say. Say your prompt here and then ChatGPT will answer your question for you in no time. Now, for those who struggle with making clean, beautiful presentations, Google Studio AI is your cheat code. Whether you are working on a science fair project or final year thesis slides, Studio AI will help you design like a pro. In your search bar, type googlestudio.ai.com. googlestudio.ai.com. I will place a link in the video description, so you got to click on it and then it will load you to this page. You just have to sign up with your Google account. Now here you have access to type your prompt here and then ask Google Studio AI any question that you want to ask. The amazing feature that I like about Google Studio AI is this stream here. You can just talk to Google Studio AI and then share your computer screen. Any problem that you're having on your computer, Google Studio AI can assist you do it. You think I'm lying, right? Now let's try and see. Hey.
Okay, I see that you've shared your screen. It looks like you're on the Google AI Studio website. Is there anything specific you would like me to look at on the screen?
I want you to assist me on something. Can you?
Sure, I see you have an Excel sheet open. How can I help you with it?
Alright, so this is an Excel sheet that I prepared, but it was rather unfortunate that I mistakenly added the location to the product, and I want to separate this location from the C column here. So how am I going to go about it?
Okay, I understand. You want to separate the product and location data in column C into two separate columns. One way to do this is to use the text to columns feature in Excel. Would you like me to walk you through that process?
Yes, let's go on.
Okay, first select the entire column C. Then, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Next, click on Text to Columns. A window should pop up. Now tell me, do the products and locations appear to be separated by commas?
Kindly check for me if I am at the right place.
You are in the right place. You have selected the Text to Columns option under the Data tab. Now looking at your data, it appears that a comma separates the product name and location, so in the Text to Columns window, you would want to choose Delimited and then click Next.
Okay, I've clicked Next, so what again?
Okay, since the comma is selected as the delimiter, you can now click Next again. This will lead you to the final step in this process, which will allow you to choose the destination for the new columns.
Alright, I clicked on it, so should I click on Finish to complete it?
Yes, click on Finish to complete the process. This will split the product and location data into two separate columns.
Oh wow, this is amazing. It has separated it from the product. Thank you very much. Next up is Notebook LM. Google's AI tool made just for students and researchers. You upload your class materials, PDFs, lecture notes or articles, and Notebook LM becomes your personal tutor. Head over to any browser of your choice and then in the search bar type Notebook LM. Notebook LM. I'll place a link in the video description, so you got to click on it and then it will load you to this page. You just have to sign up with your Google account and then you get a user-friendly interface like this. It says welcome to Notebook LM. Now all what you've done on your Notebook LM account will be showing here. You can see Untitled Notebook, 4 Plays to Success, Africans, Colonial Inheritance. All what I did using my Notebook LM will be showing in my history browser here. If you are new to Notebook, you just have to click on Create New to start with your first project on Notebook LM. Now here you are going to upload sources, whether it was PDF, text, markdown or audio, even MP3. You can just upload MP3 here in your Notebook LM workspace and then you can ask it any question and then you are good to go. I'm going to upload a PDF of one book that I read, which is 4 Plays to Success here. Now let's wait and see. After waiting for some few minutes, it was able to upload to my Notebook LM. Here it gives a summary of all what the book is about. They say this document titled 4 Plays to Success by Derek Abaite is a self-help guide focused on personal growth and overcoming internal obstacles. It outlined 4 key areas: transforming fear into ally, building authentic confidence. You can see it is really amazing. So if you are a last minute learner, just jump right to Notebook LM and then you complete a semester course within just some few hours. Now amazing thing that I also love about Notebook LM is converting or generating this PDF here into a podcast form. Yes, into a podcast form. Now if you come right here and then click on this generate here, you can just convert this PDF here into a podcast form and then you will be listening to it wherever you go. Notebook LM has come to help students. Notebook LM has really come to help students. If you are not using Notebook LM, then you are missing a whole lot. trust me, you are amazing a whole lot. It doesn't matter whether you are a first class student, you are an average student, you are a pass student. Just use AI to become smarter. AI has come to help smart students to become smarter. So you just have to use AI to learn smarter. So you just have to click on generate here and then give it some time. It's saying this may take a few minutes. No need to stick around to convert this PDF into a podcast form. Now let's wait for some few minutes. After waiting for some few minutes, Notebook LM was able to convert our PDF into a podcast form. This book was about 35 pages. Now, with this podcast, it was only 17 minutes that was being generated. You get it? Which means you are going to study all these 32 pages within 17 minutes. And it is detailed too. Yes, it is very detailed. Okay, so you get every concept, every topic, every word in this PDF. Now let's see how it sounds.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really plunging into some truly powerful ideas, stuff focused on how you can transform your personal path and, break through what's holding you back.
Yeah, we're digging into insights from excerpts of 4 Pillars to Success, Build Confidence and Break Limiting Beliefs. It's by Derek Abatey.
Right. And the source material gives us a pretty interesting window into the author. Based on what we've got here, he's an entrepreneur, pharmacist, speaker, podcast host. Seems his work really centers on helping people tackle those common hurdles.
Wow, this is amazing. This is so amazing. And one thing I really love is it's not like one person talking, which will be very boring. It makes it in such a way that you are live at where they are doing the podcast. You are sitting right next to the podcasters with 2 people talking, a female and then a male talking, which makes the podcast very, very interesting. So if you're a student, if you're a researcher, if you're a learner out there, whether you are in high school, university, or just trying to upgrade your knowledge, we are living in a time where AI is not just a trend. It's a powerful tool designed to make your learning faster, your understanding deeper, and then your academic journey easier. Don't just study hard, study smart. Don't just waste time stuck. Use AI to unlock understanding. Don't fear the future. Embrace the tools that shape it. No more struggling alone. No more procrastination. From today, you are a smart learner with the right tools by your side. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay focused, and stay ahead. This is Arhinsco Solutech, and I'm here to make tech your superpower. See you in the next video. Peace and success.